In a vast, barren desert, far from any other land, lived a small ant named Antar and a sprightly lizard, Sandstorm. Antar, diligent and small, worked tirelessly day and night, carrying grains of sand to build his home, out of sight. Sandstorm, on the other hand, basked in the desert sun, his days spent lazing, while the nights were all fun. One day, a terrible storm swept through the desert wide, leaving Sandstorm stranded, and Antar faring just fine. Sandstorm, cold and fearful, sought shelter, but in vain, while Antar, in his humble abode, stood steadfast and maintained. The desert taught them both a valuable lesson that day. A lesson about life, work, and the wisdom to obey. For Sandstorm, who once seemed so free and bold, learned that rest and play could make a life cold. And Antar, who seemed so small and meek, discovered the strength that comes from hard work and weak. In the end, they realized the desert's harsh decree taught them that balance is key in all landscapes, near or far, from sea to land or even a desert's spree. So, strive and work hard, yet rest and play, for balance is the way to live each day in the light of the sun's ray.